Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
Open Settings and locate the AI or Accessibility section to begin setup. Tap the AI toggle to enable core features and allow permissions when prompted. Sign in with your Apple ID and confirm your device is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular service for initial downloads. Grant microphone and camera access if you want voice and visual features to work. Restart your iPhone if you do not see the AI option appear after enabling updates. Access AI fast from Control Center or by long pressing the app icon on your home screen. Open Settings and choose Privacy to review what data the AI can store and share. Toggle on device processing to keep more information local and reduce cloud transfers when possible. Set language and voice preferences in general to improve responses and pronunciation. Limit background app refresh to conserve battery when AI features run continuously. Ask AI to draft emails, summarize articles, or create reminders and save time every day. Point your camera to documents or objects and let AI analyze images to suggest edits or identify items. Use the share sheet to send content into the AI app for instant summarization or rewriting. Create shortcuts that call AI prompts to automate common workflows and reduce repetitive steps. Review each AI result and edit before sending to ensure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.